So guys, to make the list of these must-have tools for any beginner, we have put in a lot of effort, so please consider subscribing to our channel to help us grow. Now let's get to the products. The first tool we want to introduce is the Recon T1M digital tape measure, a must-have solution for both beginners and pros if they want an upgrade from a regular tape measure. This tool is designed for everyday use and is super simple. Just pick it up, turn it on, and you're good to go. It's lightweight, compact, and comes in two sizes, 16 feet and 25 feet. So you can choose the one that works best for you. With pinpoint accuracy of 0.02 of an inch, a battery life of 100 hours, and an easy-to-replace tape cartridge, it's built to last and make your life easier. It even has a metal-reinforced reference square for marking, aligning, and scribing with precision. Whether you're working on flat surfaces, marking rafters, or tackling a weekend project, the T1M saves time, reduces mistakes, and feels just as comfortable as your regular tape measure, but way more advanced. If you're new to the painting world, precision and consistency should be your top priorities. That's exactly why we've included this tool on the list. The Works Nitro cordless paint sprayer is perfect. Want to get the best result in every job. This tool makes painting easy by giving you the freedom to work anywhere without being tied down by cords. You can choose between wide or narrow spray patterns to handle all kinds of projects. And it comes with 4 different nozzles to work with materials like stains, primers, and latex paints. The large paint container holds up to 34 fluid ounces, so you don't have to refill too often. Cleaning is simple too, just hook it up to a garden hose and all the parts detach for quick cleaning. Now, this Milwaukee M12 stick transfer pump is an ideal tool for beginners because it takes the hard work and guesswork out of transferring water. If you've ever tried using a manual pump or struggled with clogged tools, this pump solves those problems for you. It's super easy to use, requiring only one hand to operate, so you can focus on controlling the outflow with the other hand. The HydroPass filter technology keeps debris from clogging the pump, so you don't have to stop and clean it constantly. Plus, its long barrel can reach deep into hard-to-access areas, like trenches or sump pits, which can be tricky for beginners to deal with. It's also powered by the M12 battery, so there's no need for manual effort, making it faster, easier, and way less tiring. For someone just starting out, it's a hassle-free, efficient tool that builds confidence while getting the job done right. Here comes the Klein behind-the-head earmuffs. Though it's not a tool, but they're a great choice for beginners because they're designed to be super comfortable and easy to use, even with other safety gear. The unique behind-the-head design fits nicely with helmets or hard hats without getting in the way, making it perfect for those just starting out with protective equipment. The soft foam cushions provide a great acoustic seal, so you get effective noise protection while staying comfortable. Plus, the earmuffs come with Bluetooth technology, so you can easily pair them with your devices and enjoy premium sound quality while you work. When you're not using them, the earmuff cups pivot to rest around your neck, so they're always within reach. For beginners, this tool offers comfort, convenience, and high-tech features in one. Next up, we have something that's perfect for completing a wide range of home sawing tasks. Whether you're cutting parquet flooring or building shelves, the Bosch Universal Saw 18V100. This versatile cordless jigsaw is designed to make life easier for both beginners and seasoned DIYers. With a cutting depth of 100mm in wood and 8mm in steel, you can confidently work on various projects. Not just that, it has 4-step pendulum motion, which ensures smooth, fast cutting even through tough materials, so you won't struggle with stubborn surfaces. Beginners will love the soft start feature and adjustable power control via the speed trigger, which helps you work comfortably at your own pace. And if you're thinking about blade changing, no worries, because it is absolutely hassle-free. All in all, this jigsaw can be your go-to tool for handling DIY projects with confidence and ease. The next tool is going to be a great choice for beginners working in small or large gardens. The STIHL HSA26 cordless shrub shears. This shears is an easy-to-use tool and packs a powerful punch, so you can easily tackle all the trimming tasks. This tool comes with a lightweight design, and perfectly balanced structure that makes handling a breeze and ensures precise, comfortable work. It also features a non-slip control handle that adds to the ease of use, making it ergonomic for all users. It features a wide grass trimmer for fast cutting and a tool-free blade replacement system, allowing you to switch blades quickly for different tasks. The lithium-ion battery provides long cutting times, and you can easily check the charge level with the indicator button. Plus, the shears are compatible with all AS system batteries, giving you flexibility in your garden work. The secure fit covers make storage and transport safe and easy for added convenience. Are you a newbie on the field? You're probably looking for a jigsaw that combines precision, power, and ease of use? So, meet the Makita GJ1 barrel grip jigsaw. This tool might be the one you need. It features a 40-volt max XGT brushless motor that delivers 20% faster cutting speeds and reduces vibration by 30%, making your cuts smoother and more efficient. Not just that, this tool comes with an ergonomic barrel grip design which allows you to get closer to your work for better control and accuracy. With 3 orbital settings and a straight cut option, you can tackle a variety of materials with precision. Plus, its constant speed control ensures steady performance, even during heavy-duty tasks, making it a great choice for those new to woodworking. Ryobi 4-in-1 Stapler Nailer, a versatile tool that's perfect for beginners in the woodworking field. This compact and lightweight tool can drive 4 different types of fasteners, including light and heavy-duty staples, round crown staples, and even brad nails. With the included USB Lithium 3 amp-hour battery, you can fire over 600 staples or nails on a single charge, giving you the freedom of cordless power. Its design allows for easy access to tight spots and reduces fatigue during extended use. Whether you're working on upholstery, installing insulation, fastening chicken wire, or more, this tool handles it all with precision. The battery also features a USB-C port, so you can charge your mobile devices on the go. Plus, it has an LED indicator that shows you when the battery is charged or running low, so you're always prepared for your jobs. The Works WD331 cordless mini chainsaw combines powerful performance with a user-friendly design, making it perfect for various cutting tasks. Equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor, this mini chainsaw delivers enhanced power while protecting the motor and eliminating the need for maintenance. Its smart lubrication system ensures the chain stays properly oiled based on usage, optimizing performance without any guesswork. Is an ideal choice for convenience and high performance in a range of outdoor tasks. Introducing the Dremel Versa, your ultimate solution for conquering tough cleaning tasks effortlessly. This power cleaner packs a punch with efficient cleaning performance and a comfy design so that you can tackle even the most challenging applications with ease and comfort. With its quick and easy accessory changes, you'll save valuable time and effort. The compact and ergonomic design enables you to reach tight spaces that other tools can't, while a range of dynamic accessories adds versatility for endless applications. Plus, equipped with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the Versa remains ready to go whenever you are, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning power whenever you need it. The DeWalt DCS 355 P1 oscillating multi-tool is a versatile and powerful tool that's perfect for beginners looking to tackle a variety of tasks. Its 18 LXR brushless motor provides up to 57% more runtime compared to similar tools with brushed motors, giving you longer working time between charges. Changing blades and attachments is a breeze with the quick change accessory system, which doesn't require any tools. Plus, the universal accessory adapter makes it compatible with most other oscillating tool accessories. The dual grip variable speed trigger gives you full control over the tool's speed, allowing you to adjust it to suit different tasks. Whether you're cutting, sanding, or scraping, you can customize the depth or height using the DeWalt oscillating tool guide system for precise and repeatable results. A bright LED light illuminates your work area, making it easier to work in dark or tight spaces. This tool is user-friendly and designed to help you get a wide range of jobs done efficiently. So, that's all. Thanks for our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time